Aaron Warner here. I'm a personal injury attorney with Warner Fitzmartin, and I wanted to talk to you today about some of the most common mistakes we see our clients make when they call us. Oftentimes when we see these mistakes, it's because they called us a little bit too late. What you want to do is make sure that you know what you're supposed to get at the scene of an accident. Whether you're calling us or gathering it, it's really important for our office to have this type of information. We need photographs of the vehicles, witness information, names, phone numbers, etc. The next two common mistakes we regularly see from our clients is not getting proper treatment right away. And the second mistake that we see all too regularly is our clients trying to talk to everyone except their personal injury attorney. What you want to make sure when you go to the hospital, you go to an urgent care, whoever the doctor might be, obviously we want you to get quick treatment, but what you want to make sure is that you're telling these doctors what happened and you're not leaving out important facts or adding language that might be included in your medical records that might make it very difficult for us to frame the accident in the way that it happened. Sometimes family members appear at these appointments too who weren't at the accident scene, and statements may be recorded in these medical records that are contrary to the actual facts of the crash. It's very important that you try to keep things brief and just state the facts, what happened. In addition to speaking to your medical providers accurately, we also ask that you contact our office before speaking to any insurance companies. Again, it's a common mistake we see. Our clients sometimes after an accident, if their car's not drivable, they might get in an Uber. In the back of that Uber, what are they doing? They're calling the insurance companies rather than calling us. We want to make sure that we speak with you before any insurance adjuster does so that the facts of the accident don't get twisted and there are no issues with the presentation of your claim. Lastly, in a similar light, a very common mistake we see sometimes made comes down to social media. For whatever reason, our clients think it's necessary to post a picture of them walking out of the hospital, at the scene of an accident with their cars totally wrecked. There's absolutely no benefit to your case that you will obtain from posting anything on social media. I promise you, a good insurance and defense attorney is going to make every effort to find any photograph of you smiling after an accident and use that against you. As the saying goes in Florida, put it down, focus on driving. But if you're in an accident, pick it up right away after it's safe to do so. Call the attorneys at Warner & Fitzmartin. Let us help you from the start.